Turkey.
You can tell the difference.
Turk.
And the
Turk. Hey. Turk.
are just about as rare and hard to find as you can, because the little holes means that they can go with the number one doll.
I'm really anxious to see how Kitty's appraisal is going. It's always fun to see what jewels someone like Beverly has stashed away. But I'm hoping that she's open to managing the collection and freeing up some room to our family. Hi, guys. What do you think of everything here?
Okay, I'm going to tell you what I think.
Okay.
Most of the stuff has been really well loved, and without having the accessories and not being pristine and whatever, we don't have a lot of value here. We find a lot of, like for instance, we find these pieces a lot. What's really rare are the little